Hi, this is Meghanathan. Today we are going to discuss about numerous methods in Excel to create sequence of numbers. And this is entirely based on user interface techniques, no formulas involved. We can see the formula versions in the later videos. Okay, so let me start with the basic steps. So to create the sequence of number, you have to feed a pattern in Excel so that Excel can understand the pattern and will extend the sequence based on the number of rows what we suggest. Okay, so here our pattern is going to be start with 1 and increment 1. So I gave two numbers, just two numbers, 1 and 2. So here we are telling Excel start with 1 and increment 1. So we are going to select the cells, and the shortcut key to select the entire cells is Control Shift down arrow. So I am going to use the shortcut key Control Shift down arrow. Now the number of cells are selected. Get into the right side bottom corner using the mouse so that the mouse cursor changed into four-headed black arrow, right? Now using the mouse click left side button, click on the left side button and drag it down across the rows so that you can see the sequence has been generated, right? This is the first method, simplest one. I'm going to show you the second method. So here I'm going to start with 1 and press Control Enter. Shortcut key is Control Enter to stay in the same cell and to enter the content, right? I'm in the same cell now. Simply get the mouse into the right side bottom corner again and drag it down using the left side button till your requirement. No, based on the cells, no number of cells is your requirement. Now since we didn't provide any sequence, it fills 1 all over the cells. No issue, we can give the sequence here. So get into this tag and click on this drop down button, select fill series. You can see this sequence of numbers has been generated. Now I'm going to tell you about the third method, in which now I'm going to reduce one more step. I'm going to reduce a simple step now. The earlier method, I place 1 and press enter, right? Here I'm not going to press enter. You simply place 1 in the edit mode and get into the mouse cursor into the right side bottom corner. Drag it down with the left side click. And then in the tag select fill series. I just reduce one step, right? Now in the fourth method, again I'm going to reduce one more step. Press 1, Control Enter. Get the mouse into the right side bottom corner. Before dragging this, using the clicking the left side button, in the keyboard press the shortcut key Control and then using the mouse button on the left side click, drag it down. Now you can see the sequence of numbers has been generated, right? So all those four methods, the extension, the number of rows what we select is lesser, right? 10 rows or 15 rows. In that way, we can drag it down. It's not an issue. But what if the number of rows of the sequence is about 200 or 250 or 500? If we drag it down across those rows in the 200 rows, then it's a hectic process, right? It takes more time. So to reduce that, I'm going to introduce a new method. This is with the mouse clicks. No, I'm going to unbox a new dialog box. Just press 1, Control Enter. Get the mouse cursor into the right side bottom corner. Now to drag down, use the right click button. Click on the mouse, right click, drag down, and again get back to its original position. Release the click. Now you can see the dialog box. It's a hidden dialog box. Open now and click on the series here. So to populate the rows, it says step value is 1. That's the default one, and that's what our requirement is. And here I'm going to place 200 here. Random number. Click OK. Now across the columns, you can see this 200 rows has been, sequence of rows has been generated. I'm going to do the same thing in a single column. Now I'm going to use a shortcut key instead of the mouse button pattern. I'm going to use a shortcut key which is Alt H FIS. So with this, no, we open the same dialog box, series dialog box, and I'm going to select columns. And the step value is around 200. 200 is fine. Just a random number. Click OK. You can see 200 rows, no, sequence of numbers has been generated. Right? That's it, team. Thank you. Thank you very much.